Today we are going to be making garden egg sauce. Welcome to my channel. I am Happy Alfred. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and also like. Here on our table we have garden eggs. We have 4 stock cubes. We have 2 diced onions. We have a cup of vegetable oil. We have crayfish and prawn fish. We have fresh fish. We have scotch bonnet pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper, and red scotch bonnet pepper. So we put our pots on the fire and allow to heat for a minute. We had water. And we wash our garden eggs and add our washed garden eggs into the water. We cover the pots. On that space, we quickly dice the peppers, the scotch bonnet peppers. After cooking for about 7 to 8 minutes, we check if it's softened. Then we transfer into a bowl the garden eggs. Using a wooden spatula to smash until it becomes softened. We smash it. Keep smashing. Vegetable oil into a hot dried pot. We seasoning the fish with salt, a pinch of salt, and we fry the fish. Flip sideways to fry and bring it out of the pot when properly fried. Sieve the fish particles out of the oil and allow the pot to heat for a minute. We add our onion, our scotch bonnet pepper. We add our red scotch bonnet pepper. We had our green scotch bonnet pepper. We had our salt, teaspoon of salt, depending on how large quantity you are making the garden egg. We can as well add 1/2. We had our stock cube. I'm adding 4 stock cube, but you can as well add 3 stock cube if you don't like much stock cube on your garden eggs. We stir and stir for some minutes. Then we add our garden egg into the pot. While adding the garden egg, we stir together. Make sure you stir very well so all the mixture will come together. And then we had our prawn, fish, and our crayfish into the pot and stir together properly. Keep stirring and cover the pots while we wait for about 5 to 7 minutes to cook properly. We'll come back and check. So stir again before bringing it down from the fire. Now, as you can see, it's ready. It's ready to be served. Very delicious, spicy, and yummy. Thanks for viewing my channel. I really appreciate. Please try yours and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for viewing. Thank you very much. Now it's ready to serve with plantain, potato, yam, or any serving of your choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,